Our family's been farming in Woodstock since 1885. Our children are the 7th generation here at Elm Farm. My wife and I have run the farm since we got married 23 years ago.
The children have grown up on the dairy farm since day one. Their days are days of walking cow lanes and feeding cows and learning their numbers by the cow tag. They now are into the chores on the farm, and they enjoy it. This is their home. This is their play yard, just as well as the cows are their friends. For them to follow Daddy around and help with milking and help with dry work and roll out the silo plastic and cover the silo and jump in the corn truck to bring in the harvest and to bottle the milk to bring to the market and fill the shelves with the milk. It's all just part of their life. There is no separation.
There's no greater place for kids to grow up than on a farm. You know, the dairy farm offers life lessons for children that you're not going to get anywhere else. They have so many experiences being able to learn how to work and learn how to take care of animals and join 4-H and join FFA and grow up and learn leadership qualities and animal care and how to work as a family. It is just the best place for kids to grow up. And we're proud that we've raised 4 kids here at our dairy.